Julia Child Sole Meunière is such a delicious and simple recipe. Let's make it. Ghee in the skillet over here, and I seasoned the sole with salt and pepper on both sides. And I have a plate of simple all-purpose flour. I'm gonna lightly dredge it and then kind of shake off any excess so it's not caked on. And I'm gonna put it in that hot ghee or clarified butter. I'm gonna let the fillets cook for maybe 2-3 minutes per side. Maybe 2 minutes. Flip it over until it's nice and golden brown. I'm using a fish spatula, which is one of my favorite tools. Oh, can you see that? It is beautiful. Let me show you. I'm gonna add some regular butter, let that melt, and then we'll add a good amount of parsley, capers, and lemon juice, and that's it. I add a few things of caper, and now with one hand, I'm gonna try and add some fresh lemon juice right in. A good amount of finely chopped parsley. I'm gonna stir this all up. I'm gonna try and scrape some of those bits with whatever liquid from the lemon I had, and then that's the sauce. Oh, yes. How delicious does that look?